How do you prepare for something that only exists in another's imagination? Such is the challenge of architecting the data center. At Intel, we're always working to find ways to overcome today's computing challenges, with a constant eye on the future. So what will we see 10 or 20 years from now? Flying cars? Personal jetpacks? Honestly, probably not. More likely, we'll see tiny computers infused into almost every object in our world. Computers that will sense our environment and our health, each one wirelessly sending and receiving information that we can use to make our lives safer, simpler, and more enjoyable. It's not virtual reality. It's the physical world and the digital world coming together. Imagine non-invasive personal health sensors that continually monitor wellness, each anonymously linked to help track disease trends, keep viruses from spreading, and assist doctors in developing individualized treatments. What about a PC that looks like this, that can project an interactive display on any surface, even the palm of your hand? And how about a small local store having access to the same business intelligence and channel efficiencies as the world's largest corporations? The data age will open up countless opportunities for new businesses and help us create a much more sustainable and livable world. But there's one problem. Today's data centers that rely on fixed function, siloed infrastructure, and static applications simply can't take full advantage of all this data. What's more, as the demands for rapid innovation increase, IT must spend less time managing infrastructure and more time partnering on business strategy. So one thing is clear. It's time to re-architect the data center. And that's where Intel's vision for using software-defined infrastructure comes in. With SDI, the entire data center will be managed as one logical computer, where applications can define underlying infrastructure requirements across compute, storage, and networking resources, and shift resources as needed, all under intelligent software control. Infrastructure will become more flexible and more responsive, so IT can focus on imagining new services and capabilities, thus empowering a major IT shift from supporting business processes to driving business opportunity. Intel is investing huge resources to continue pushing the boundaries of what technology can do and ensure there's an ecosystem that facilitates innovation. This transition will not happen overnight, but you can start now by modernizing your infrastructure for cloud deployments, optimizing applications for cloud service resiliency, and ensuring your infrastructure foundation is based on Intel architecture. These early steps will get you ahead of the curve as you make SDI a reality in your data center. And at that point, the important question will become not what's inside the imagination of others, but what's inside yours.